Okay, so to review your contacts and your contact database, once you've logged into the platform, go ahead and click on the Contacts tab here on the left-hand sidebar. This is going to open up your contact database and it's going to show you everything that we need to know within this part of the platform. So right off the bat, you can see that we have a handful of contacts here which have been set up for the purposes of this tutorial. We have a bunch of bulk actions up here at the top, and we also have a bunch of extra tabs up here that's going to show us some more information and more lists and more features that we can use. Okay, so to manage a contact and view a contact, go ahead and click on the name of said contact, and it'll open up your conversations or contacts card. Now in this contacts card, we can view and manage all the information of this contact within here. We can also view and manage the company of what this contact is associated with. And we can also go ahead and view the history of all the activity that this contact has had since its creation within our database. So this is opportunity activity, sales activity, communications, and much more. Now, if the contact has an email, an SMS, or a social media account assigned to it, we're also going to be able to engage in conversation with this contact straight from the contact card. So here you can see we have an email set up for this contact, and we can actually go ahead and email this contact right from in the platform. If they had a phone number set up, you would see an SMS tab pop up right here next to email, and I could click on this and then it would let me text this contact right from in the platform. Next to this, we also have a bunch of other features and activity points for this contact. So we can see here all the activity for the contacts will also live on the right hand side under activity. We can also look at any tasks that have been assigned to this user internally for our team. We can also see any notes that have been assigned to this contact internally by our team. And we can also add notes up here in the top right corner as well. We can also see any appointments on this contact that may be upcoming, or we can go ahead and add an appointment for this contact right within here. We can also see any documents that are assigned to this contact, so any contracts or invoices or anything like that nature will be assigned and will show up here if it is assigned to the contact. And likewise, we can also add documents right here as well. And then finally, we can also take payments from this contact right within this page. We'll also be able to see all the payment history, subscriptions and invoice history of this contact live in here. And if we'd like to create a payment or take payment right from in this page, we would click on actions and either charge now or add their card on file to charge later. So now if we head back to the main page by clicking on this arrow up here, this will bring us back to the main contact page. Now up here we have bulk actions for our contacts. So things like pipeline change, add them to automations, sending them a SMS message, sending them an email, adding a tag, subtracting a tag, deleting contacts, sending them a review request, exporting contacts, importing contacts, add or edit to companies, and then merging contacts up to 10 contacts. To perform a bulk action, go ahead and click on as many contacts as you'd like to perform a bulk action to, and then go ahead and click on the bulk action you would like to do. So for in this case, let's say we wanted to send them an SMS. We would click on send SMS. We could do OK, proceed. And we would then go ahead and type in our SMS here and then click send SMS. This would then send this SMS as a bulk action to each of these contacts. And finally up here within the tabs of the top bar, we have bulk actions, which will show you a activity log of all the bulk actions that you've done. You have restore, which you can restore deleted contacts back to your contact database. We have tasks, which we can view and create tasks for specific contacts. We have company, which we can create companies and then assign our contacts to those companies. And then we have smart lists, which is our list of contact databases. So if we want to have multiple lists within our contact database, we can make multiple smart lists and then organize them within our database. And then finally, we have the settings tab up here. So if you want to create any custom fields, delete any of the pre-selected custom fields, or just generally modify the fields within your contact database, you can do so in here by clicking add field and assigning a custom field. To get back to your contact database, click on the go back button here, and this will bring you back to the contact database. So that's a quick overview of the contact database within this platform. Please feel free to play around with it, learn the system, learn about the bulk actions and things you can do within the platform, and let us know if you have any questions. I hope this helps.